morning, everyone. It's Miss Joanne. I have my little man, Mr. Josiah, here right next to me. Mr. Omari will be back soon, so I can say, hi, Caitlin. Hi, Lucas. Hi, Jeremiah. I hope everyone's well today. So this is actually being filmed ahead. So I'm going to do that as if today was Wednesday, because it's actually Tuesday, but I'm going to be out for a few days, so I want to do films ahead. So, I already said what day. Since we're pretending today is Wednesday, here we are. And it's still the month of December. And yesterday was Tuesday. Let's sing our Days of the Week song and see. Days of the Week. 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 I'll use my Christmas bells. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. If I made this at home like I was gonna, I'd have my penguins to help me. Maybe I'll make it Thursdays tonight at home so I can have it have them included with it so they can help me. So we said yesterday was Tuesday. So let's think about what comes after Tuesday. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Tuesday and is there Wednesday or is there Sunday next? There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. You like that, huh? I gave my little pointer. Oops. My little pointer that I point up at the calendar to Josiah to look at. So if today is Wednesday, what does that make tomorrow? There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Is there Mr. Sunday's back. Is it Sunday after Wednesday or is it Thursday after Wednesday? There's Sunday and there's Monday. Oh, we already said Sunday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday. So tomorrow will be Thursday. I'm going to kind of leave the weather because we don't know what it is and I'm doing this ahead because I'm not sure when what is coming and all that kind of stuff. I know we're getting some snow. I'm going to wait till it's even closer, before I really listen to what they have to say because a lot of times they get you all riled up and they're wrong, so who knows? So yesterday was Tuesday the 15th. I know it's a lot of numbers, but help me count so we can see what our date today is. Ready? I have to use my hand because I don't want to take my thing away from Josiah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You having fun hitting me with that, huh? You having fun? So 15. So I wonder what comes after 15. Do you think it would be 16, 1, 6? Because 15 is 1, 5. I hate it when I hold things up because I can see how bad my cuticles look and stuff. Or is today 17? We count by the second number, right, kind of, to tell what comes next. And the second number on today, or yesterday, was 15, so it was 5. So what comes after 5, 6 or 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So today is 16. So our calendar kind of sentence is today is Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. Come on, 2021. We're waiting for you. You like that, huh? He's just fascinated by that. And I hope everybody is doing well today. I'm not really going to go over all the feelings today because I don't feel like it. Ha! I will do our number. Our number is, what did I do with it? Oh, I didn't take it down. I don't know if you can hear it, but I have some Christmas music on in the background. This YouTube Christmas songs for kids. It's kind of upbeat and peppy. I don't like a lot of the older Christmas songs. I mean, I like them, but they're kind of sad, some of them. So, our number is 5. Let's count and see what that means. We have triangles, remember? 1 triangle, 2 triangles, 3 triangles, 4 triangles, and 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. I hope you all counted with me. And then our letter is F. F is for fish. Pretty colorful fish. There's an orangey, kind of gold fish. There's a pink fish and there's a blue fish. We have 3 fish on there. Fish starts with F. Feet. Feet start with fish. You can stomp them, you can wiggle your toes, you can look at them, you can smell them, stinky feet. Only kidding. Something else that smells, but this one is nice, is flowers. Flowers start with F. Flowers. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers. And remember, 5 starts with F. And we have fire truck. Just the fire part starts with the truck. But it's actually the fire truck. Fire truck starts with F. So I was going to read this the other day, but we didn't have time because I forgot I had other stuff. So I just don't want to lose. I have some things cut out, but I don't want to lose them to go along with it. Oops, see? There's one that should be over there. There's my story. In our story today, we are going to see the words, the vocabulary of festival. Oh, starts with F, festival. That's an event for celebration and fun. When you go to festivals, sometimes the churches have them. A lot of places have them in the fall festivals. It's fun for time and family, games, festival. Uh-oh, then we have snow. Soft white flakes of ice that fall from the sky. Sometimes I like just watching for a little bit. I'm not going to sit there all day, but I like watching the snow fall, and especially if it's sticking a little bit to the trees. It's just so pretty. I don't think I could ever move out of New England and away from all the seasons, as much as I'm starting to hate winter more. I don't know if I could do that. Ice. Frozen water. Where'd it go, honey? Oh, I see it. Is that what you want? That's your favorite right now. And then we have winter. The season between fall and spring. We are still, believe it or not, we are still in fall. Winter doesn't actually start till next Monday. That's the first day of winter. But I think it's going to look like winter in a couple days. In a couple days, it's going to look like it. Oh, here comes Mr. Omari. Hi. leave the camera and come over so I can go get Mr. Omari.
Alright, so I think Jim's ready for that?
She just hooked him up.
Oh,
She's
you know,
late,
we'll
so.
I really wanna get him today, cause
Yeah.
after him not being in the walker for about a week and a half or so or more, he didn't do as good the other day.
I bet.
Yeah.
And I try to do it, but I
Oh, you
can't.
can, yeah.
Here comes Mr. Omari, although I can't show him to you on camera. I gotta find out about that, find out when we can do that again. I keep saying that, but I never do it. Okay. Now I have an email from Miss Ashley. Okay. So, those are our words. Winter, because he wasn't here for this part. Ice. Frozen water. Remember we painted with ice? The season between fall and spring is winter. Snow. We're going to get some on Thursday or Wednesday night. I don't know. And festival. Yay, it's fun time. Fun and festival. F. Would you like this? Yeah, okay. I don't know what you did with your, oh, here's your bells. Okay, so with those words in mind, this is what we are going to read. It's from our News to You curriculum, and it's about the Harbin Ice and Snow Festival. It's this time of year, and between now and like March and stuff, a lot of countries are, have snow festivals. Well, not the ones like from Africa and where it's warm, but a lot of the northern countries have their own festivals. So let's read what that means. What happens at a winter festival. Okay, here's the little one, so we want a big winter festival is in Harbin, China. Now I have this page. I don't know if it shows. It doesn't quite show the whole world, but there's China, and it's like kind of on the opposite side of the world from us. China. You want that? No? Yes? All right. You want that? Good job putting that on the table. Sorry, guys. Got it? Okay. So, the festival is the Harbin Ice and Snow Festival. That's why we learned about ice and snow. Well, let's read what happens at this festival. Sounds very interesting. The festival starts on January 5th. I wonder why they had us print this out now, January 5th, so we know about it. It'll be coming up in January. The festival has many huge sculptures. Let me see if I can, how close I can get this to you so you can see it. Sculptures, those are ice sculptures. Those things, they're made out of ice, completely out of ice. They use chainsaws and all sorts of things to make a big chunk of ice into something. Artists, those are the people that paint and make sculptures and all sorts of different things nowadays. Carve the sculptures. They have a sculpture of a dolphin, if you can see, and a big snowflake. Artists make some, see we have a big pile, but we're just doing the small things, so it's some sculptures from ice. Artists make some sculptures from snow. So they're using what they have. Colorful lights light up the sculptures. Oh, that sounds very interesting and pretty. Doesn't it sound like it would be pretty? The festival has winter activities. Oh, they show you over here, so I won't show you the. Oh, I think Miss Joanne's gonna have to sneeze. Excuse me. Excuse me, I just didn't want to spread it around as much as possible. The winter activities include ice skating. They put little skates on their feet and they glide across the ice. Not so good for people who have no balance. Skiing. So you put the skis on and you go down the hill. I did that a little bit. Sledding. That's fun. You sit on like a toboggan or a sled and you go down the hill because it has kind of skis on the bottom of it. And ice fishing. They make a hole in the ice and they fish. And they also have sometimes out on the lake people have little cabins so they can go in to get a little bit warmer. It's not like it's a real house or anything. Sometimes they have the hole right inside there and just keep them out of the try and keep them a little warmer if it's raining or snowing to keep them out of that. Well, I guess if it was raining a lot, you might not want to be out on the ice. So that's about the festival. Then we have our silly jokes. Knock, knock. Who's there? Ice. Ice who? I see you. Ha! Instead of I see you, it's ice see you. The Christmas tree. Would you like this page? You want to see that? I have a joke. Tell me, what do snowmen eat for breakfast? I don't know. What? Frozen flakes. Oh, frosted flakes. I wrecked the joke because there's a cereal Frosted Flakes and they're talking about snowflakes. Let me get my little clipboard out because that makes it easier. And one of my markers I have here. So we want to know if you remember any of these pictures or things being brought up in that short story, okay? Do we talk about a rake? Sorry. I'm saying a lake as I see him with the rake and leaves. No, there was nothing about raking, so no. Or we can just leave it blank. Did we talk about ice? Ice? Frozen water? Yes, we did. We can circle that, or you can put a check mark. Any of those. Or we use a bingo dauber. You just put a daub on it. Did it talk about winter? Yes, we did. That's the season between summer and fall and spring. We have snow. They build a snowman. There's snow on the tree. So, yes, we did. We talked about winter. Did we talk about a festival? An event or celebration? Want to see that picture? So, yes. Did we talk about an attic? That's the room at the very top of the house, the floor? No. How about snow? Did we talk about snow? Yes, we did. That's the soft white flakes of ice that come from the sky. Want to see that? No? Okay. So, yes. Alrighty, room. So I did cut this one out because it all depends on what the geography lesson is about because we don't want to get too technical, excuse me. I just have a little bit of a runny nose from that sneeze. So we talked about that the ice festival is in China and it is in Harbin, which is way up here. And remember, when we've talked before about maps, the capital, the star means that's the capital of a state or a country. The capital of the United States is Washington, D.C. The capital of the state of Providence is, the state of Rhode Island is Providence. So the place that this takes place is right here in Harbin, China. That's the Chinese flag is red with a yellow, let me see if I can hold it close enough, with one yellow star up in the corner. There you go. And now I'm really asking some questions. I'll just go over them. But what river flows through it? So this is the China, and on maps they show rivers as blue lines. So what river goes through it? And it says it right here. Hopefully you can say it. The Songhua River. I just wanted to show you China. The next page is the same thing but written so that you can write the answers. Sorry, humming the songs. This one's a little different than what we usually do too. But what we're going to do is try to find the same. So I'm only going to give you two choices to make it easier. And I'm going to try and fold it so that we're not distracted by a lot of other questions. Uh-oh, you're knocking my stuff over. I'm going to give you your two choices. So, here's our first one, and it's showing this. And what this is a thermometer, and that's how we tell how cold it is outside. And we know it's cold because there's the icicles hanging down. So now we want to find the picture that's the same. Is that the same? Do I have that one upside down too? Yeah, I do. Is this the same, or is this one the same? I'll take them out and put them right next to it. So that's the picture we want to find the same for. Is that one the same? Or is that the same? Whoop. Does that look the same? That's the same one. That's the one you chose, then I have to say yes. Oh, what happened to my yes and no? I had it right on top of the computer. Ah. Then yes, you're right. That is the same. Those are not different. Those look exactly alike, only one's a little smaller than the other. You want this back? Got it? Got it? Oh, I guess not. Well, he told me. Now we have a picture of an ice cube. Amari's trying to grab everything. Yeah, you can grab these. So now we have our nuts. Oh, so much for that. Okay, then we have nothing. That's our ice cube. Remember, that's a big frozen thing of ice. So now I want the same. Is that the same, or is that different? How about this one? Is that the same? Which picture do you think it is? This one or this one? Just look at them both. Amari, what's the same? Look, that's the same. They look alike. Yeah. Look, Josiah. Oh, good. You ate the paper. That's the same. Ice cube, ice cube. Do a couple more of these. Oh. Let's do this one. It's nice and colorful. Did you hit the refrigerator? Uh-oh. You better not break it. Let me find some choices. Okay. Now we have the flags and stuff that Josiah ripped it a little bit, but it's a festival. They have all the flags and the pretty confetti. So I want to know, is this the same? Again, this is smaller. Not good for people with hands that don't work so well. Or is this the same? The person? Which one is the same? The person? No. The flags? Yes. I'm going to take, we did a couple of those. Now I'd like to just do a little bit of math. I won't do the whole sheet. I just want to do a little with counting. Let's see, which one's better? Oh, I have a math sheet for counting. Where is it? Oh, I didn't bring it over here. It's over on my desk. Alrighty, Roo. Then we'll go back to plan A. Ouch. Ouch. And this is, we've done them before, but we're going to do it different this time. This is a which is greater, but we're just going to count the lines. We'll talk about it a little bit, but that doesn't mean we're going to do the whole thing as greater than, or, you know, which one has more. What happened to my marker? There it is. It's a chainsaw, because that's sometimes what they have to start their ice sculptures with, because it comes as a big, huge one, and they have to make it into, so they couldn't just use a little knife. They'd be there forever. So let's count the chainsaws. Let's count on this line. How many here? One. What comes after one? That's right. If you said, sorry, I couldn't get the cap off. If you said 2, you would be right. 1, 2. Let's count this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 snowflakes, well, sculptures of snowflakes. So we're going to write down the number 5 so we can see the number 5. 5. I had to keep going over it because the marker wasn't doing it as well, maybe because I have it off. Light bulbs, because remember they have lights all around the sculptures to make them light up and look pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Omari. Yeah. So that's how you write the number 6. And then we'll do, I guess those are scarves because you wear one out around your neck when you go outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's our number 7. These guys are starting to get a little restless. So I'm going to end this right here for now. I hope you have a great day. Like I said, I don't know right now what the weather will be like, but I still hope you have a great day and a great evening. And I am off tomorrow as well, but I'm going to be making a film for it also, so I'll still talk to you. Bye for now. Have a great night. Bye, Lucas. Bye, Jeremiah. Bye, Caitlin. Bye, Josiah. I'm calling you Josiah. Bye, Omari. Bye, Josiah. Omari thought it was funny. He's laughing at me. Bye.